In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to a Google review. By the end, you'll have a direct link you can drop into an email, a message, or a social post so people land right on the exact review you want them to see. First, open Google Maps in your browser. Any modern browser works fine, and using a full-size desktop window makes the layout easier to navigate. Once Google Maps loads, head to the search bar at the top and type the name of the business. Adding the city or neighborhood can help narrow things down if there are multiple locations with similar names. When you see the correct result in the suggestions or on the map, click it to open the business's full details panel. Next, scroll to the review section. On the business's page, you'll find an overall star rating near the top. Keep scrolling until you reach the list of individual customer reviews. This is where you can see the text, star ratings, photos, and dates associated with each review. Now, find the review you want to share. If the business has a lot of feedback, skim the preview text or use the keywords you remember to spot the exact one. You can also glance at the star rating or date to help identify it more quickly. Take a moment to confirm it's the right review so your audience lands on the content you intend to highlight. When you've located it, move your cursor to the review and look for the three dots next to it. Depending on your screen size, those three dots might be to the right of the review text or appear when you hover over the review area. Click those three dots to reveal more options. From that small menu, click Share Review. This opens a share panel that creates a direct link pointing straight to the specific review you selected. It's designed so anyone who opens it will be taken to Google Maps with that review in focus, which is perfect for showcasing testimonials or clarifying feedback. Finally, copy the link. You'll see a copy button in the share panel. Click it and the link is placed on your clipboard, ready to paste anywhere you need. It's normal for the link to look a bit long. That's simply how Google structures direct review URLs. That's it. You've opened Google Maps, found the business and the review, used the three-dot menu to select Share Review, and copied the link. You're ready to share it with your audience so they can view the exact review without hunting around.